and I am very happy take this time with my artist friends participating in Biennale. Thank you very much.
我也非常高。
Yeah, there are some artists. I think I'm not sure, but I think most of you are studying at the art department. So I feel something like you are my companions to go somewhere. I mean the unknown way, actually, to find the new, something new. I think the word new is something related to creativity. The feeling is very good thing. And also the people ask to artists make something new. But I think something new is always, it means something strange. Don't you think?
Sure.
I think it's this sort of dilemma, artists stay at that kind of dilemma. We should do new things, but new things is strange. So, but the people doesn't like the strange one. So the artist is something, isolated from the society. They don't understand strange. I think, but I know that, that if artists experience something new, then they do that new things, whether people likes or dislike. Today I am going to introduce nature art, what I experienced 35 years ago, first time. And firstly, I will explain about the little short history about art to nature art movement. And then I will give some idea what's the specific method of art to nature art. And then naturally nature art connected to the contemporary art. So I will give some artworks, show artworks, how they shift to the contemporary art world.